What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome to another YouTube video. If you all are new, take 2 seconds out of your day, smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day while spreading Ghana and while spreading Africa to the world. If you're not following me on my social media, on Instagram, it's probably the second best way to get a hold of me besides on my comments. Send me a message. It's at Callan Wesley. If you got any products you want me to review, if you have any houses, any businesses, anything that you think is really special, even stories you want to share of yourself, of people you know, inside Ghana, inside Africa, please let me know, and I'd absolutely love you to team up and be a part of this family that we're growing each and every single day. I know it's not mandatory to subscribe, but each and every single view, each and every single subscriber really helps to share the content, try and grab a greater audience, and it really goes a long way. So everyone who is already subscribed, thank you so much, and everyone who's still on the fence, just smash that subscribe button. At least keep on spreading positivity. There's enough to go around for everyone. And this is a question that came up, and I was going to do it in my last Q&A, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to take the time and make a whole video on it, just a couple minutes out of your day, because regret is normal, and this is, what do I regret the most since moving to Accra, Ghana? Now this is going to be a 3-part question because there's 3 different areas or 3 different things that I really regret since I arrived and since my family moved to Ghana. The first of which is that I regret not traveling more outside Accra. Now Accra is obviously the richest city in Ghana. The infrastructure, the roads, everything is just accelerating at a massive rate. There are new restaurants, there's new bars, there's new hotels, everything. Since when I could not enter the country, when they closed the borders, wouldn't allow me in, and I had to go back home to South Africa last year, and I wasn't allowed in the country for about a year. When I came back, I was absolutely blown away by how much everything, even during COVID, had still progressed and changed so much since I was last there. But on the point of that, I regret not traveling outside Accra more. I've only been once or twice, one of which was to the Royal Senchi, which was absolutely incredible. A beautiful resort. Top class, really top class. But some areas that I would love to go and see is the Adafoa region. I saw on Mr. Ghana Baby, What Am I's channel, and the houses and everything that I saw in that area when he was going up and down the river. I was like absolutely mind blown. The houses, it looked like it could have been on some of the most pristine real estate in the world. So that's an area that I really want to go see. They say the vibes there are very relaxed. The houses there are beautiful and everything is just amazing. I'd also really love to go in the other direction, go towards the Cape Coast, see Elmina Castle, and then also on Vanessa's YouTube channel, she did a video, and I think it's called something Moon Resort, which just looks also like a once in a lifetime, looks like heaven on earth. So I'd love to go and do that. Last year when I wasn't allowed in Ghana because of COVID, I was actually planning to do a little road trip, going towards the Gold Coast, going to Elmina Castle, going to all those regions there. But that is still on the cards, and I cannot wait to hopefully be able to travel and do that more frequently throughout Ghana. Obviously, I still need to be careful with COVID, with me not being vaccinated. Second thing on the list is that I don't know how I have not been yet to the market. It's called Makola Market. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's on the screen now. I hope I haven't butchered the name, but it's really close to a road we take almost every single day when we're coming to and from work, and it just looks absolutely incredible. You can even like smell the spices when you're walking past, and I saw some videos of people that have been there, and just the open spices you can choose from, the different types of street food, the fabrics you can get there, absolutely everything. It's like a one-stop shop. But like I said, because I'm not vaccinated, because there's lots of people there, I'm not worried about myself. I just don't want to transmit anything to anyone, so I'm just being really safe, especially if I'm around vulnerable populations. But hopefully, fingers crossed, that all gets sorted out soon, and then I can go explore these areas, because those are my favorite things to do, interact with the locals. That's what people don't understand. It's not the infrastructure and everything like that makes Ghana so special. It's the people, and it's the communication, and it's just the positive energy that you get when you're within the country. And I know lots of people who have traveled there have said that. And then the third thing on the list, that I have not tried enough local Ghanaian food. I know the one that keeps on coming up is fufu. Everyone's saying, I have to try it, I have to try it, I have to try it. And there's a couple others, like using some curry. There's some foods that they eat in the morning, the Ghanaian people, and it's almost like a porridge type vibe that I've never ever tried before. So that's my third thing, is that I wish I had tried more diverse foods. Obviously I've tried my wachi, I've tried some other types of street foods which I absolutely love, but my third regret, like I said, is not trying fufu and not trying more of the local cuisine. But we will be changing that hopefully very, very soon. So this was just a very, very short video just on what I regret, which I wish that I had done more since my family moved to Accra, moved to Ghana. But like I said, we're very happy. I'm hopefully going to be here for a much longer time period where I can keep on bringing you guys this awesome content. I love hearing your support. I love hearing your comments. So like I said, if you have any suggestions, anything you want me to see, anything you want me to do, just either put it in the comment section below, send it to me on Instagram at Callan Wesley, and let's keep on growing together, getting better together, and improving little by little every single day to keep spreading Ghana, keep spreading Africa to the world. Hope everyone's staying safe, hope everyone's staying healthy, and I'll see you all in the next video.